Hello everyone, this is Siam from the Research and Development Department in Market Equity, and in this video I'm going to be talking about some of the important instruments and their price movement predictions for the day, which falls on a Friday, 24th of September 2021. Let's begin with the US dollar versus the Japanese yen, where in the previous videos we said that it is moving in a sideways movement in the 4-hour time frame, inside the sideways movement in the daily time frame, and we said that by rebounding upwards off of around level 109.10, the pair will be targeting around level 110.10, then 110.40. Recently, the pair reached level 110.10 and is currently being traded around level 110.40, which, by rebounding downwards off of around the current levels, will support the continuity of the sideways movement in the 4-hour time frame as well as the daily time frame, and will continue to target around level 109.60, then 109.10. If we notice the RSI indicator in the 4-hour time frame, then we can see that it is currently moving above level 70 inside the overbought area, which further supports the probability of rebounding down off of around the current levels to continue with the sideways movement. That was it for the US dollar versus the Japanese yen. Let's move on to the Australian dollar versus the US dollar. In the previous videos, we said that the pair is moving in a downtrend in the 4-hour time frame, and we were waiting for the pair to form a low around level 0.7220 on the 4-hour time frame and the daily time frame, in order to continue to build a strong uptrend in the daily time frame. We said that by breaking upwards to the upper boundary of the downwards channel in the 4-hour time frame, it will confirm the formation of the low around level 0.7225 and will continue to target around level 0.7345, then around level 0.7410 as primary targets in the expected uptrend. We also mentioned other reasons to support this, which was that looking at the previous upwards movement and noticing the buyer's power in it, compared to the previous downwards movement or the downtrend in the 4-hour time frame and noticing the seller's power during it, we can see that the buyer's power was way stronger than the recent downtrend. This was more clear on the 1-hour time frame, where we said that due to the highs and the lows being packed closely together, it shows signs of weakness for the pair in the downtrend. If we notice the RSI indicator in the 4-hour time frame, then we can see that it recently broke upwards to level 50, which was a horizontal resistance level for it in the 4-hour time frame, and recently rebounded down off of around level 60, which supports the probability of a downwards correctional movement in order to retest the broken upper boundary of the downwards channel in the 4-hour time frame. That was it for the Australian dollar versus the US dollar. Let's move on to the euro versus the British pound. In the previous videos, we said that the pair is moving in an uptrend in the 4-hour time frame inside the sideways movement in the daily time frame, and recently, by rebounding down off of around level 0.8610, the pair continued to retest around level 0.8540 and recently started rebounding upwards off of it, which by rebounding upwards off of it or off of around level 0.8555, where the pair is currently being traded around, it will support the continuity of the uptrend in the 4-hour time frame as well as the sideways movement in the daily time frame, and will continue to target around level 0.8610 as a primary target in the uptrend. If we notice the RSI indicator in the 4-hour time frame, then we can see that by rebounding upwards off of around level 40, it supports the continuity of the uptrend in the 4-hour time frame. That was it for the euro versus the British pound. Market Equity wishes you successful trading and have a nice day.